If first impressions last, then what of the scene just outside the Norman Manley International Airport shortly before noon as the senior football team from Suriname made their way outside the arrival area? What appeared to be a beatdown of a man sporting a dreadlock ponytail by two females outside the arrival area turned out to be an ugly domestic spat. Eyewitnesses tried to make sense of it.
See a gentleman thump a lady in her face and fight start and ear start pop off and finger bite off and all them something there. See finger ground there. So me come and hold the man and say, oh, behave yourself, behave yourself. But the man never want to behave himself. So the two women beat him. And them gone on a station, police gone charge him.
But the police report that the woman seen in a tussle and bloodied at this point is the man's daughter, and the other female in black is his estranged wife. The lady in pink appeared to have accompanied the man to the airport. It was a sorry situation, as the daughter will need medical attention, as will her father, whose finger she literally chewed off while pulling out some of his locks. So what caused the brawl? Newswatch understands that while at the airport, the mother and daughter approached the man and asked questions which led to him allegedly hitting his estranged wife. Mr. Joseph, who attempted to part the fist fight, said it was unfortunate.
These things not supposed to happen. And at the big airport, international airport, so it's not supposed to happen. Right? So, anyway, the police come up and bring them down at the station, so them going to start it out. So we don't know what to do. Understand?
The police took into evidence the piece of severed finger and hair, several locks, as well as a wig, which were on the ground. They also escorted all the parties to the airport station to commence investigations. Up to late afternoon, no one had been charged, but the police say there could be charges of assault and wounding. Meanwhile, the Surinamese were eventually shuttled away from the drama to prepare for their own showdown for the Caribbean Cup game against the Jamaican boys on Sunday. Nika Lewis, CVM News.